It's only 7:10 a.m. and it looks like I'm the first one here. I'm the only one here. And even the businesses are open. Pizza? Pizza? Here? On the way up here, I drove right through some water buffalo poop. It splattered up all over me. My bike too, I'm sure. So technically the place isn't open yet. It's only 7, but it doesn't open until 8, but they let me in anyway, because they're cool. What I forgot to bring, and I really should have, is mosquito repellent. This is the jungle, and we're by a river. You see mosquitoes are in the camera already. Could bears live here? Bear poo. Free the bears. Free the bears. We're going to see some in captivity. You know, you think this would go without saying. From a bear tunnel. Sleepy bears. So cute. Oh, first human of the day. Hello. Bears of the world. Polar bear, brown bear, black bear, Andean bear, sloth bear, giant panda, moon bear, sun bear. Can you imagine a life without bears? There'd be no Winnie the Pooh, no Fozzie Bear, there'd be no Yogi Bear, there'd be no Baloo, Ted from the movie Goldilocks, the Care Bears, and Bear Grylls, Man vs. Wild. No Chicago Bears. Yeah, stretch out first thing in the morning. This is so cool. I'm the only one here. Time for a little dip in the water. Okay, I got my American flag swim trunks.
Hello, cats, I just got back. Looking for that place they call the Chicken Shack. It's fine as wine and it's really on the ball. No windows, no doors, it's just a hole in the wall.
So in the water, fish were nibbling at my dead skin. And as I've got psoriasis and my skin is like, you know, molting all the time, they had a feast, but it got a bit annoying. So I've done the waterfall, and now I can still get back to the hotel for the free breakfast. Goodbye, Kuong Si Waterfall. I'll never forget this moment. I get the feeling that the $20,000 I paid to get in here went straight into the entry guard's pocket. In fact, I saw him put it in his pocket because he didn't give me no ticket or nothing. $9.99. Must be nice growing up with the bears, huh?
$9.99.
Don't feed the bears unless you work here.
On all you cats, you can shop at the tack. The party's going to start down at the Chicken Shack.
So here on my Saturday night in exotic Laos, north central Laos, I have had Mexican food for dinner, and now I'm going to spend the rest of my Saturday night at a bowling alley where there doesn't seem to be any bowling going on until I got here. Hope they have shoes at there. I can bowl?
Yes.
Okay, great. Yeah, just me. Only one. Turn on the lights. You have shoes? Size 12? 9 and 10 is your largest size. It's like, okay, I wear socks. 67. I bowled a 67. I haven't bowled a 67 since I was like 9 years old.